Rita. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to talk about how to incorporate fresh fruits and vegetables into your afternoon, your lunches, and your dinners with some ideas. So first of all, you have to make sure to have a well-stocked kitchen. And for me, that means having lots of grains and then spices and the sauces to go with your meals and your snacks. Our family does use white rice. Some of you might prefer to have pasta or brown rice. We do a lot of Persian food, so we have basmati rice. This one is quinoa, which I sometimes will cook. And you see a variety of beans. We also do beans, so I like to keep pretty much all the beans. Beans are good for you. So we have black beans. I like to cook lentils with out of the dry beans. And I think I have every form of bean in can form. So they're just really good to have on hand. I'll make hummus. I'll add them to dishes or soups. So beans are really good to have. The other thing you want to make sure to have to make things taste really yummy is a variety of spices. So you want to have, for me, I really like salt. I like salt a little bit too much. I do have high blood pressure, so I should be careful, but I just love it. I also really like garlic. I have the fresh, but then I also have I use this all the time, garlic powder. Cinnamon, as you knew from yesterday's breakfast video, I use it all the time in like a lot of things. Cumin, and like this Mrs. Dash is a chipotle. This makes things taste yummy. Sriracha is 0 points. If you like spicy things, this is great on bowls. And then lemon juice on like everything. And I have lemons from my lemon tree that have thick skin, but they just have so much juice, and it's a wonderful thing to have for salads, and I think they work in just about anything to make it taste better. All right, so that's how to stock. Now quickly I want to go into how to sort of prep and have things available if you want to take them with you to work, or if you are at home and you want to put together something. Maybe you do this over the weekend. Try to use glass bowls as they microwave more easily. And I really like these ones. Are from Target, but you know, Pyrex with the lid. Take the plastic lid off because you want that to go in the microwave, and then microwave to make your bowl. So usually think about like Chipotle. You could do a healthy Chipotle bowl if you skip the sour cream and the cheese. You want to get your base, so maybe you're going to do the rice and the lentils, or the rice and the beans, and then you want to then probably add a vegetable. So we have broccoli. I like to steam it. We have this delicious corn. I add my own spices to it. This is a roasted corn. It's also 0 points that Trader Joe's has. But you know, like any corn. And then I chop up my sweet potato. Doesn't look that appetizing, but it's delicious. I cook it with cinnamon, chop it up in the oven. Sorry, my dogs are running around. And then in terms of healthy snacks, you want to make sure to have a variety of this is corn. I have cucumbers, Persian cucumbers. This is not corn. These are baby carrots. Sorry, I'm trying to go fast. Bell peppers, these are good to snack on. They also go well in any of these things. Then in terms of meat, so maybe you're gonna put this in your bowl or in your salad. Here's just plain grilled chicken from Trader Joe's, but you can obviously grill or make your own in whatever way. Baked tofu is a great alternative. This is a lemon chicken, I think, that I got from Trader Joe's. Now let me show you some easy salads. This salad is arugula, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers. I'm just gonna put some lemon juice on that. And then I have a kale salad. I made this for Thanksgiving. It's got kale and carrots and pomegranate. I like pomegranate. For Thanksgiving, I put apples and grapes in there. And then I actually make my own little honey Dijon for that. A little bit of honey. Honey is my preferred sweetener, just a little. And then apple cider vinegar. That's really good dressing. And then for cheeses, if you do cheeses, I would say the white cheeses like feta or goat are lower fat. And hard cheeses are also lower fat, like your Parmesan or your Romano are gonna be lower fat than your other cheeses. These work well. This one in the arugula salad, and For the pomegranate kale salad, I don't put any cheeses in that. So that's in a nutshell. The other quick thing I wanted to say about snacking is that don't be afraid of bread. I buy Dave's breads. They have high protein, low sugar. Usually I get the Power Seed. This is Good Seed. We do a lot of avocado toast. Do like a slice with avocado, lemon juice, yummy spices. And that's kind of it in a nutshell. I hope that was helpful, you guys. Bye.